Today we're going to bring an actual chlorine light for your pool, and this is floating area. And right now it's charging. If you guys can see, there is a light right now that's charging. The remote with RGB lighting or solid colors. The instructions where the tablets actually go into it. Make sure that you have the right size, correct size, and then the bottom of it to keep everything together. Attachment goes underneath of it. If you guys can see, there is a little rail system that you just twisted in there. We are going to set the tablets up. This is an extra lock just to keep it, but you can actually control the flow of the actual chlorine from here, twisting it. This thing is going to start lighting up at night, and at the same time it's going to clean your pool too. So we're going to set this up so you guys can look at it and how beautiful it looks at night. Beautiful colors. We're going to try every single mode that we have here. That's just the regular solid, if you guys can see. Look at that. Change it to one solid color, another solid color. And of course, we got the rainbow colors. And if you just want just regular light, you can have regular light. You can change different modes. So we're going to go back to the rainbow. We like the rainbow stuff. So it's lighting up underneath the water too. So the base itself, the chlorine tablets, keep it afloat. It's going to help your pool. At the same time, it's going to help you clean. So if you guys are looking for a great floating device with LED lights and at the same time chlorine tablets fit in there, hope you guys enjoy the video.